This is my first piece of content that I'm recording with my new camera setup, which is the Sony A7 IV with a 35mm lens on it. And what better time to record something than a time where all of Louisiana is just chilling on this Sunday afternoon due to inclement weather. At this moment, I'm in my home office slash man cave, and y'all probably can't see it, but I'm looking around and I definitely need to do some cleaning up. It's a little dark in this corner, I do know that, but I don't know what I actually want to do with it. I did put a few little shelves right here. They can't really hold that much weight. And I have this Harmony poster that my sister got me, and I do like the aesthetic of it, with it being more of a Japanese style look. But I'm not sure what I want to do with this black wall that I've painted right here. I do have these two posters that I don't know where to put them, but I don't know if they fit the aesthetic of it. Moving on over to this corner of the room, the bookshelf could be straightened up a little bit. I do have a few little notebooks that I've had since I was real little, like 3rd grade or so, that I like to keep around just because they bring back a core memory in my mind. Then there's this thing that I got from Cozumel, my first cruise that me and Kiera ever took, and it's just something to remember that cruise on, and it was pretty fun. And I know y'all see these wires that are hanging up here right now, but that's because I am planning on putting the TV up here. It's gonna be in this corner facing the opposite corner, which you will see in a second whenever I show y'all, but I have a beanbag chair set up and everything over there, and I think it's gonna be a nice hangout spot. This is where everything happens whenever I come in here. I walk through the door, I sit in this chair, and I come to this desk. I am debating on if I wanted to swap from this 2-monitor setup right here and just doing one stand in the middle that can hold both monitors. Somebody let me know what I should do or what you have done, and maybe I'll look into it. And the last corner is where we usually come to relax. And by we, I mean myself, Kiera, and sometimes Bruce. And this is a little aesthetic piece that my sister got me as well. She likes to buy me these little knickknacks from these little fun places, in which I do appreciate, but sometimes it's a lot. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and slide right in. Satellite and even that far. I kinda wanna know where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. It don't matter that much. Put that on now. I ain't heavy. Gave you the time and a place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to